What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I think in this video, what we need to do is go through Shiba Inu, because what people keep asking me in comment sections is, what do you plan to do with your Shiba Inu? Since you see it at this level, it may be holding at these levels for quite some time. You're not really seeing any type of movement, whether it's super negative or super positive at the moment. And what am I going to do with my Shiba Inu? If you're not familiar with my channel, and what I talk about when it comes to, a lot of these investments like this, especially Shiba Inu, I'm going to be holding it for more of the long term. So it's not something that I'm really worried about right now. Am I looking for this to make a move right now? I would love for it to make a move right now. I would love for it to go up to the highest price that it can possibly get to, because I'm one of those people that thinks this position can get to $1. However, it's not going to get to $1 right now. I don't think it's even close to set up to be at $1, at a penny, at even 0.01 cents, right? Or 0.01 cents. Like, I really don't think it's even at that level yet. So we need to basically take a step back, understand what my process is, and maybe it will align with your process, and maybe it makes sense to you as we do see fit. We're also going to go into an article and just really read the title and understand and get my thoughts behind it. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure that you check out some of the links down below. I want to throw a shout out to all of the Patreon members. Everybody that's a Patreon member, I really appreciate you guys. Everybody that's listed on the screen, I don't know if you could see it, but everybody listed on the screen, I really appreciate you. Thank you for being a part of this community and, supporting me in so many ways that you do. Also, if you guys want to check out my merch link down below, I don't know if you'll receive it in time. You definitely want to check to see if you'll receive it in time. But I think this is the most quality like sweater that you could possibly get, especially if you're a fan of Shiba Inu. If you're a person that's a fan of Shiba Inu, let's just check this out really quick. Right? Look at that. High quality Shiba Inu sweater. You got Emmy's face on here. You got the smile. You got everything you need. You got the Dentine commercial on my shirt. If you guys want to check it out, definitely check it out. I don't know if you'll be able to get it before Christmas, but either way, I'm going to find a way to take that same print, and I'm going to probably put it on a t-shirt if you guys are interested in that. But I think it's a really, really cool shirt. Really, really high quality as well. They did a really good job, with the quality and everything. But anyways, let's stop talking about my merch. Let's talk about Shiba Inu and get an understanding of where we actually are. And maybe I'll put like some sort of skip, I guess, to this point. Possibly. I don't know. But what we're doing right now is we're looking at this article. So could Shiba Inu lose 99% of its value, right? This is an article that I saw just recently, looking up Shiba Inu news, trying to figure out what people are saying. And a lot of things are negative, especially when it comes to the Motley Fool. Talking about the fact that here's so many positions that are better than Shiba Inu that will crush Shiba Inu and all of this stuff. I hate when they do that. They always try and find the thing that has the most popular and has the most popularity and shut it down completely. But knowing them, I mean, they can't do it. They just gain clicks off of doing something like that. But it's an interesting question. Can it lose 99% of its value? I don't think it can. The Shiba army is very, very strong, right? People that are holding on to it and waiting for this thing to really blow and make a huge move up to levels to where it still can get to reasonable levels, right? People are waiting for this to get to 0.0001, and right now it has 4 zeros, and we're hoping for that to make that move and then consistently move up from there. Now it can only go so high right now when it comes to being in third place, below Bitcoin and Ethereum. But you can definitely see those moves as you do go into the detail. So if I go into like my crypto potential spreadsheet, where I have all of my different Shiba coins and understanding where that can get to, we're looking for that to just lose 1 0, right? And if it's at a level, let's say it's, 500, what is it, 549 trillion? I have a calculation in here. 549, let's just say it's 589 trillion, right? They implement all of the supply, right? And then we bring that all the way down here, and we see this at a level of 0.001, right? 0.0001 would be $58 billion market cap. .0002 would be over 147, or .00025 would be $147 billion market cap, which is definitely on the higher side of things. Now I'm going to go back because I have something set up to where I want to look at that, but it's definitely on the higher side of things. So when we think about something like that, can it lose 99% of its value? I don't think it can lose 99% of its value. I think it can actually hold a lot of its value because the amount of holders that are actually within this position, that are in the Shiba army. So let's go ahead and look at some of the detail here for Shiba Inu. And right now you're going to see the price is at 0.00003 cents, right? It's at a very, very low price. We all understand that it's at this low price. It's been holding around these areas, around that 3,000 area for quite some time. And I think what we can gauge from this is the fact that it has a lot of people that are really interested in this and really are holding it for the long term, right? You have a ton of people in that SHIB army that's holding for 40 plus days, as you can see there. 40 days of typical hold time that goes up every single day, right? And you see the popularity is around 10th. Now the market cap is actually decreasing because, you know, the value, people are probably getting out of it and saying, hey, you know, I don't believe in this position, which is good for the people that are still holding, because the overall thought process behind it is that we're going to have this massive burn that happens, multiple massive burns, and then we're going to see this thing skyrocket in price. The lower this thing gets, I hope that it loses 99% of its value. The lower this thing gets, the more money that we can make out of this position. Now, the reason being is, let's go back to the crypto potential spreadsheet. You're going to see here that I have this set up to where the SHIB army plans to burn off 10% per week, right? And if they're burning off, or sorry, $10 per SHIB holder per week, which would be 1 million holders, that would be $10 million. And looking at something like that, where that's $10 million of the current value, whatever that current value actually is, whether it's 0.00003, where we actually are, I put another 0.3, you're going to see that at 333 billion SHIB coins that are going to be burned off every day. Now that's, or every week. That's not enough to get to the level that we want to, but if that price actually does come down, then, you know, the SHIB army can burn off a lot more by themselves. So that would be great to be able to see that. However, SHIB has said that they're going to implement some sort of a larger burn. So 50% burned off every single year. If that's the case, would be amazing in 10 years, getting to 575 billion, which means 5 cents is definitely a possibility. 10 cents is definitely a possibility. You know, seeing it at these higher and higher levels as more of a burn happens is definitely a possibility. So let me know what you think about Shiba Inu coin. I think, in my opinion, that this can definitely make a move in the future, but my overall idea of this investment is more longer term, not short term. Like, it's never going to be a long or a short term investment for me, because I'm not worried about what's going to happen tomorrow. You know, I don't think that this can get to $1 tomorrow. I don't think this can get to a penny tomorrow. I think this can get to these levels in the future when they start implementing a lot of these things, changing processes, seeing the popularity die down, which means that a burn would actually bring popularity back up. So again, I love Shiba Inu. This is my investment. So, you know, take everything I say with a grain of salt. It's not financial advice. So if you're holding the position, if you're wondering every single day what you should do with it, then you have more of a short mindset or short-term mindset with Shiba Inu, which is a different thought process than what I have. So I don't need to answer the question, what do I plan? What am I going to do with my SHIB tomorrow? What am I going to plan to do with my SHIB the next week? Because I'm not going to do anything. It's more of a set it and forget it type of thing. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below, as well as checking out, you know, the shirt. You know, I have the sweater here, the Shiba Inu sweater with Emmy's face on it. So I don't know if you'll get it before Christmas. If you don't, then I'm sure you're not going to want it. But again, I will have it on other merch, and I think it is a great t-shirt, a great design that we have here. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.